Hi Orchestra, I hope you had a wonderful 3-day weekend. I apologize I didn't have this uploaded over the weekend like I promised. I actually got really sick, so I wasn't able to, but I'm feeling much better, so I wanted to post this video, post this video so you had it for clarifications. However, if you have any questions during class, please let me know. I'll clarify there as well. This isn't due until Thursday, but I wanted to have this video in case you are working on it before then. This is the violin handout, but all of the instruments follow that same style. So the first thing you'll see is practice drawing, naming, and memorizing the open strings. So it'll be open strings for your instrument. So all you do, this is just practice, is you will draw and label. I'm not doing this as neatly as I could, and I got that one wrong, so I just erase. And yours will hopefully be a little neater than Miss M's, but you will do that for 3 times. And then here, you draw exactly what it says. This is just all open G notes for violins. So we have A, and then you'll label up top, it's open string, then A is first finger, this note is B, which we'll play with second finger, this note is C, which we'll play with third finger, and you'll do that 2 more times. Same thing for our open D string notes. And then here it gets a little different. So you will have a note and you'll have to specify what string it's on and what finger you'll put on up top, and then you put the name of the note down below. So for this one, the note, and I can look back at my notes here, I know that this note is B, and I know it's a G string note, and I look here and I put my second finger, so it's G2. So that's what that means up here. And then this, I know it's my open D, so I'll put D0, and that's the name of it. Here I know that is F, if I looked back here, and I know that it's on the D string, and I put my second finger on it, so that's what's happening there. Then we go and do the same thing for our A string and our E string notes, and the same exact procedure here. So I know that this note is B, and I play that on the A string with my first finger, so on and so forth. Then it just keeps going. You're gonna write out all the notes that have the first finger, so on all the strings, then on second finger and third finger, and then you'll just label them. So I know that this note is E, it's on the D string first finger, so on and so forth. Then on 12, instead of them giving you this section and you have to fill out what it is, they give you, okay, your note is on the A string first finger. So I have to think, okay, A string, then when I put my first finger down, that turns that note into B. So E open, I know that on violin that's my open E string, and then D3. So I know that if I'm on my D string and I put my third finger down, that's G, and that's how you do that. Same thing is going on for 13, and then 14 is kind of cool. So you get to spell out 4 words. So for example, I'll do B. So now I can spell out B, E, and E. You can spell out dad. You can spell out maybe a trickier one, cabbage. So anything that uses these notes, you write that word out and then you'll spell it out using notes. I hope that helps. Good luck.